It's Tech Tuesday. It's September 14th. Tip of the Grant Sound Advice Coffee Cup to you this morning. This is take 3 on a subject that I'm trying to treat very carefully: copyright. This is episode 11 of How to Get Started in VoiceOver. And this really has a little bit to do with voiceover, but if you're in business, if you have any business, if you have if you have any business doing this, if you have any business whatsoever, you're going to run into copyright usage or permissions at some point. It is common in the voiceover world to take a commercial, let's say a Ford or Audi or toothpaste commercial, take the audio out of it and put our own voiceover under it. And that way we sound like, whoever the voiceover artist was or our impression of that. The point is that we never have permission to use that video for our own purposes. So let's talk about copyrights. But just for the moment, I want to put my finger on the right place. I'm always opposite of where this is. I am not an attorney. Find a good intellectual property attorney to answer your questions. But hopefully I can keep you out of hot water. Does everybody do it? Yeah, but you know what your mom said about jumping off of bridges, right? Copyright. The right to copy is a very simple way to look at it. I've been in business of marketing and website branding, advertising, all that kind of stuff for over 20 years. And I've worked with some really good intellectual property attorneys. So this advice, this chat, as it were, is from information I've gotten from them. Remember, see the IP attorney on your own. I used to get, back at the advent of Google and stuff like that, people say, I found this great image of whatever on the internet. I want to put that on my website. Nope, can't do it. You don't have the rights to use it. Let's say you're a horse groomer and you found a great picture of a horse on Google with another person grooming a horse because you don't have a picture like that and you want to put it on your horse grooming website. Don't. You do not have permission. Period. It's that simple. Just because it's on Google, it is not free. Google has crawled the entire world's computer systems and all those images on their computers somewhere. Scary thought. And other search engines also. So here's the point. I hope I can make a point. Let's say you are over there and I'm over here with my phone or other camera, picture-taking device, and I take your picture. Who owns the copyright? No, it's not you, it's me. I'm the creator. I took it, I composed it, I knew when to. I'm the creator. I own copyright to your picture. Does that give me usage rights and the right to distribute it in any way I want to? No, because in this case, it's very specific, a picture of you, and I would have to have a contract with you that says I can use it in these ways, blah, 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 and would also say that I can use it in certain ways. Just because I took the picture of you personally doesn't mean I can use it any way I want to. There, how you like that? There are usage rights for just the United States, certain regions of the United States, Europe versus Asia versus... Trust me, it gets deep real fast. Here's the point. You don't have the right to use it. It's that simple. It's really that simple. So what could I do with that picture of you? Well, the excuse is that, if I took a Ford or Audi or Crest commercial and I put my voice under it, I'm helping them advertise. Surely they can't be mad about that. That's not the point. The point is you don't have permission to do that. Pretty simple as things go. So let's look at it this way. That picture I took of you. Let's say you're a certain persuasion of political parties. I won't mention one because it won't matter. And you are really into that political party. And in an effort to promote you and help you in your career, I post your picture on the other political party's website. How could you possibly be mad? I'm helping promote you. Oh, that, yeah. So just because I have your picture doesn't mean I have the rights to distribute it. Public pictures and all that stuff get a little bit deeper and a little more complicated. That is why this thing is over here about finding a good intellectual property attorney. Just know, here's the simplest way. If you don't have express written permission to use a picture, a piece of art, a recording, text, don't. Pretty simple. But Grant, they'll never catch me. Okay, you've been warned. The simple way to go about this is if you don't have express written permission to use or distribute, don't. There are free places on the web. You can download pictures for free. They all have distribution and copyright licenses. So again, just because you can download the picture for free doesn't necessarily mean you can use it any way you want. Okay, enough said. Call an IP attorney. It's over here. Call an IP attorney and get the answers to your questions. But just remember, if you don't have express written permission, don't. Have a great Tuesday. See you tomorrow for Potpourri Wednesday.